Hi guys, welcome to Bitcoin Gem channel. I hope you all are doing great. So today we are going to analyze H bar, that is hash graph, H bar against USDT, and also we look at H bar in BTC pair. So before we begin the analysis, I hope you guys have read this disclaimer. I'm not a financial advisor, so please make sure you do your own research before doing any investment. Great guys, so let us begin today's analysis and let us go to the H bar charts. Please make sure guys that if you like this video, then share it, subscribe to the channel if you haven't done it. So we are looking at H bar, and first let us look at the H bar USDT chart. So this is the H bar USDT chart, and this is a 1 hour chart. As you can see that since the correction of 19th May, it is slowly grinding upwards and it's on an upwards channel. So on a lower time frame, it is on an uptrend. If you look at the daily chart, this is the daily chart. Then on the daily chart, if we look at the entire correction, this is on 14th May, 19th May, it was here. So from here till the drip, it was at around 53-54% correction. So it was as almost similar to the BTC correction. So we can say that this correction more or less look like because of the Bitcoin correction and not anything else. And this is again gaining traction on the higher time frames. Its immediate resistance is currently at around 27 cents, 0.276, and the next big resistance at 32 cents and 33 cents, between 32 to 33. This is the zone, and after which the next correction would be the resistance would be at around 38 cents. So these are small targets that you can see, and this will be a choppy region. If you look at the chart, then this is going to be an entirely choppy region. But the reason I am sharing this chart with you is not because of its USDT pair, which if we add the moving averages, exponential moving average, then it is on a daily chart currently getting resisted by the 21 and the 89 moving average. So the green line that you see is the 21 EMA. Ideally, we want any asset to be above this, to be fully bullish, entirely bullish. Once it is above this green line, it's bullish. Look at this. Look at the entire move. It was bullish whenever it was above this 21 EMA. And since it came down from 21 EMA, it is slightly bearish. Okay. But again, the reason I am sharing this chart is not because of this USDT chart. It is because of this BTC chart. If you look at the BTC chart of H bar, then look at this. It's bullish. It's above the 21 EMA, and hence if Bitcoin keeps going up and if Bitcoin doesn't fall further, then we can expect H bar also to pump. If you see this, it is currently above 21 EMA. Even on the 19th May correction, it was this candle. You can see that sorry guys, some issue in my throat. In the 19th May candle, you can see that it did not have such a harsh fall in the BTC pair. So this shows strength. Also, if you see, this is against the Bitcoin pair. It's gone up, it moves sideways, it's gone up, it's going sideways, then it's going up. So it's taking time and building. It has not gone parabolic in the Bitcoin pair yet. Hence, this growth is more sustaining because it's slowly going up. So it's taking its time, it's consolidating before its next leg up. So if you see this, then it went up. Let me hide this moving averages. Look at this. It went up, it moved sideways. A slightly downwards channel if you can. Breaking it again went up. It moved sideways. And now it's again going, it again went up and now it's going sideways. So it's just a matter of time before it repeats this. And in this next leg up, it looks like it's following this blue trend line. So I think if Bitcoin keeps going up even slightly on a smaller, lower pace, then I am expecting another leg up in H bar very soon. Again, guys, this is not a financial advice, and please understand that it all depends on Bitcoin. So hence, this is a good looking chart, and since it's bullish, it's about 21 EMA. I think this is one of the safest opportunities right now in crypto. Anything that is about 21 EMA is bullish in my opinion. So this is something that you should look at if you're looking into any alts, and look for yourself. That's it, guys. This was something I wanted to share with you today. I hope you guys like this video. Take care and see you in the next video. Bye bye.